is Space View Launch Park, and it's where people line up to watch launches from the JFK Space Center. They have bleachers set up, and we're going to take a look at the type of perspective they have of the launches. This is the Navajo Intercontinental Guided Missile, back from the early days of missile launches in the 1950s at the Space Center. And some comfortable seats here for the viewing of the launches. And besides for the two bleachers that are already here, there's room for 3 more slabs of bleachers. Each of the bleachers seats about 100 people. And from this vantage point, spectators could see launches in the distance at that point right ahead of us. As you continue to move to the west, you see the other portions of the JFK Space Center, including the Vehicle Assembly Building. So from this vantage point at the space viewing point, you can see a massive rocket from SpaceX. It's a Falcon 9, and you can see the enormous machinery used to transport this rocket. Looks like they're returning it for refurbishment. It's a bit weathered, having been to space and now returning back to base.